Trinidad. So we're at the Pico Health Center. And we're getting a health declaration. So we're standing here in line. We're watching these guys in their cart, taking their carts in and out. They're going back and forth to the market from their Jeeps and trucks, and they're taking produce from those trucks and then hauling them through this little street here. And they're going over to the public market, which is just a little ways over there where I'm panning. And we're standing here in line to get this health declaration because I need to go to immigration. And since we're going to Baguio City, which is the bigger city, that we're just on the outskirts here in La Trinidad. So we need a pass in order to go travel over there because Baguio has a little bit tighter restrictions because of the pandemic. So right now we're in the later stages of it. We're still in ECQ. So now I'm getting ready to go get a form. We're getting up here in line. Next in line we are. If you notice, you can see everybody behind plastic and everything. Most people are wearing their masks. It's not quite like in America where people are being hard-headed. You go out. This is the first time that I've actually been out past our property anyway. Julie comes out every Monday or so, whenever she needs to. Usually it's only on a Monday to do some shopping. That's it. That's the extent of our going out. But most people have been going out. As you can see, that everyone's wearing a mask. Everything's all plasticed up. A lot of places say no mask, no entry. So there you see someone with a face shield and everything. You see Julie there dressed up like she's in a sandstorm. So I'm just signing this paper and giving my information, the time and everything, the normal registration stuff. And these two ladies are health workers, so you gotta check my information. She's gonna check my temperature. It's not really a whole lot on the form. They're just asking questions. Do you have coughs, sore throat, just normal symptoms. Diarrhea, I think, was one of them. But they're not like doing a physical or anything. They're just taking our temperature, taking our word for it for the most part. You can see the alcohol bottles and everything. Actually, things have gotten a little bit more organized and better. I can't say I hate it, because as you see, just the street behind me, that's very crowded now. Yes. And it would have been worse before. I'll show you in another video what it was like before. But right now we're, wouldn't say post-COVID, but what they call it, the full lockdown. It never has been full lockdown, but it was pretty locked down. And now it's just enhanced, where you've got some rules and regulations you have to follow when you go out. Now we got our declaration. I'm all good. Me and Julie's all good. Now we're trying to make our way out of here past all this clutter here. We're going up to the Barangay Hall where we get a pass. If you notice, the streets are still a good amount of traffic. Not all that much different than before. Now we're arriving at the Barangay Hall, getting our pass. Now we're good to travel to Baguio for one day. It's a one-day pass. Now, we're waiting for the jeepney, which we used to just normally just catch it out in the street when it comes by. The jeepney's running the route. So maybe waiting out here for 2 minutes. Maybe waiting out here for an hour. It just depends on the time of day. Before you, like I said, you waited for one to come by in the traffic. Right now you're not seeing a whole lot of traffic. But now we're standing in circles a meter apart. So it's kind of organized, which is a good thing. I like it like that. But it's a little bit harder, as you see when we get in the Jeep. It used to be you could fit 20, so you're packed in there like sardines before. But now, because of the pandemic, we're separated by plastic and such. But it's a good thing. But it's kind of crappy for the drivers, because they get a lot less people in there now. So I don't know how they're dealing with that. If they're getting some sort of sustenance from the government or not. So as you can see, that there's plastic on both sides. There's plastic protecting the driver and the passenger there. There's plastic in between them. And then there's something, an extra cough shield there. I don't know that they're getting out every so often and cleaning all that with alcohol. I assume that they are. It seems people are doing pretty good. Most people are respecting. Nobody wants to get sick and go to the hospital. This will end part 1.